In this video, I am going to show you how to take a long scrolling screenshot in Windows 10 or 11. If this video helps you out today, please don't forget to drop a like. To get started, open your Chrome browser and head over to the website you want to capture. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the bottom of the menu. When the developer panel opens, look for the Toggle Device Toolbar icon and click on it. Next, click the three-dot menu right here. You will see a list of options. Choose Capture Full-Size Screenshot and Chrome will automatically download a full-page version of your screen. You can open it directly from your Downloads folder. As you can see, we now have our perfect long scrolling screenshot. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.